This is a JobCost.com video tutorial on how to enter new time cards through the Time Card Import CSV feature. In the main cabinet, go to Payroll, click on Time Card Import CSV, select the pay period for the week you are entering time cards. The CSV file must include all columns listed below in the same order, even if there is no data in them. Enter all necessary time card information into the appropriate cells on your file for the payroll week ending. There are several CSV options for saving this file. It is required to use the CSV Comment Unlimited option for proper upload. Next, click on Select File to choose a CSV file for this pay period to upload into Payroll. If your CSV file has a header row, check the box to ignore first row. Click Import. It will then tell you how many time cards were imported successfully and if there were any failed records. If there were any failed records, a Job Cost Accounting Import CSV log will be generated, available in your Downloads folder, telling you what needs to be corrected. It will also create a new Job Cost Accounting Import CSV failed records file for the failed records that you can use to import after making all necessary corrections. Click OK when done importing CSV file. Now all the imported time cards can be viewed under the Time Card List View options in Payroll.